class, welcome back. We're going to be talking about coordinate planes. Grab your notebooks and let's get into it. All right, when we talk about a coordinate plane, we want to look at these two lines here. This first line, which is our horizontal line, is called the x-axis, okay? The vertical line is our y-axis. And right here in the middle, this little point where they meet right here in the middle is considered our origin, okay? On every coordinate plane, there are 4 quadrants, and we number those quadrants by using Roman numerals. So right here we have our first quadrant, here we have our second quadrant, here we have our third quadrant, and here we have our fourth quadrant. For each individual line, some may be in intervals of 1, some may be of intervals of 2, 4, or it just depends. In this case, we're just going to take it by intervals of 1, and I'm going to mark those as such. So right here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is going to be our positive side of the coordinate plane. On this side, we'll have our negatives, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, and -6. Up here, going to the top on our y-axis, we will have our positive numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And down below, we'll have our negative numbers, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, and -6. Okay, let's have Adara plot these points. We have the first point, 2 and 4, okay? When we look at these coordinates here, we know that our first number is our x value and the second number is our y value. So now we're going to have her plot these points.
Okay, so right here is our x-axis and it's 2. So we're going to go right here to y, which is our 4. Wait, this is go right here?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Good. Now, we're going to label this point as, this is our point, 2, 4. Okay?
It's hard not doing it on like line paper.
Right. So in most cases, you will have line paper when you do these exercises. That's a good point. So if you have line paper or graph paper, you can go ahead and use that. It'll help you a lot better with when it comes to plotting your points.
Okay. For -1, this is our x-axis, and we're going to meet at the y-axis for 2. So just go right here.
All right. Good.
And what we want to do as well is label it. So I'm going to put -1 and 2. Boom.
And when we connect these two lines on our coordinate plane, we have this nice line here that shows where the direction of our line is going. Okay? This is how we graph our points. So again, we have our x-axis and our y-axis. Anything going up vertically here is going to be positive. If it's going down on the x-axis, it's going to be negative. To the right of the x-axis is all of our positive numbers. To the left of the x-axis is all of our negative numbers.
Don't forget to like the video, share the video, and subscribe. Don't forget to keep solving, keep shining, and remember, Jesus loves you.
Bye.